Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi aphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungabisamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje zizobe ngiy'faka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ungakuphuthisi izindaba ongathi njengamanje ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana ethi kushubile-ke laphana-ke kwi-GNU na-ke laphana-ke owe-DA eveza-ke okungenami-ke laphana-ke ngesinqumo-ke esithathwe-ke i-ANC na-ke laphana-ke okuthinta-ke kuyo sonke sazi ukuthi-ke laphana kuRamaphosa kunehambo-ke ebelubheke eRussia-ke laphana-ke ngathi-ke i-DA ibingamisani-ke ngendlela-ke okwenzeka, kodwa angifuni mina ukusizwa ngaphinde nje dlala ividiyo-ke yasisi-ke uZizwele wena-ke echaza lana-ke veza okuningi. Bengicela phansi usizwile-ke le vidiyo ngema comment section-ke fusha uvo lwakho ukuthi na ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese wenza okulungile nje ungixhase-ke phela-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha ngizobe ngiy'faka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le vidiyo-ke awuyithokozele.
Hey, Helen Zille is not happy with the ANC. Let me show you what she said first about Ramaphosa and Russia, and then what she said today about Paul Mashatile. Paul Mashatile was addressing the media, saying, Gubana, there's a national dialogue in December. So, Helen, uvukinje bomfu akathandisisi neze and uthi bakwi-government bekufane bezidozithethwa nabo nothi phaa kwimedia bekufane bendoziqale zixoxwe nabo. I-ANC ayiwinanga elections wara yebethu nani. Hey, so Helen Zille has said the DA is in government and no one talks to the government without the DA. Yebethu nani uHelen ucinga ngubani uthi the DA is in government and no one talks for yebethu nani no one talks for the government without the DA. No one talks for the government without the DA. Hayibo uHelen betela ucinga bangubani uthi no one talks for i-government without the DA. Zonke izinto zithethwa nguRamaphosa phaa eRussia as now wait without i-DA. Kutsho uHelen Zille andiyazi into esikuyo. So a few minutes ago Paul Mashatile was addressing the media. So he mentioned that the national dialogue will be held on the 16th of December. Mashatile is hosting members on the GNU in presidential office, chain haze in parliament to resolve disagreements. Iposti ka Helen ngele ingavelanga up. Uthi bana uthi wait, let me crop it for you. Utu Helen Zille, we made it clear from the start of the GNU negotiations that the national dialogue must be a joint initiative, planned and executed by the key GNU governance partners. But here goes the ANC, unilaterally as usual, as if they won the elections. Yebethu nani. So utu Helen Zille, mayingabikho into announcedwayo kungathethwanga ne-DA. I-ANC mayingalali ivuke i-decide uba kwenziwa ntoni kungathethwanga ne-DA. Yo, hey, hayi mabakrwempane bodwa guys. To everybody who doesn't understand Xhosa in this video, please just skip this video because everything that I said, it needed to be expressed in vernacular. I'm so sorry. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel,